and April and a few other months. But but yeah, the best time for a reptilian humanoid to mate and get freaky is 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 during the lunar moon at night, because the lunar moon energy is powerful. Okay, and I'm also getting this from upstairs. The lunar moon is the best time to increase and speed up the energy of your root chakra. Okay, your 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 root chakra. All right, that's the best time to increase that energy. Um, so so yeah, like I would just encourage everybody to um now I'm speaking on the adults. Okay, I would encourage um those of us older in our youth not to ejaculate. Okay, save your sexual energy. All right. Um. Okay. So anyway, any anyway, I'm trying to remember what else I was gonna say. Um. Yeah, but I want to say um. Oh, I want to talk about the positive reptilians. From my experience, when I did a video on Dr. Harmony drops reptilian knowledge. You can go look at that video. I basically talked about having um a positive and negative experience with reptilians, and then the second time I encountered some reptilians, these were extraterrestrial family members of mine, and I love them to life, and they love my energy, my light, my innocence, everything, and I I communicate with them. Um, I won't say often, but every once in a while when they have time to communicate with me. You know what I'm saying? So, what else do I want to say? Oh, and we also have something that our reptilians, something that our reptilian ancestors gave us, which um President Barack Obama calls it the reptilian brain, which is located in the uh the 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 vital cortex. Okay, that's where all your animalistic behavior and you know I I guess ignorance and sexual nature is driven at. We all have re, re, reptilian DNA in our genetics, and this is potent in black people too. Okay, I'm gonna say that for the record. Alright. So the last thing I want to say in this video is um I'm 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 working with some individuals to help bring positive reptilian disclosure. Guys, don't be fooled by media, and nor should you be fooled by alternative media. What's alternative media? The internet, okay? YouTube, because a lot of us go to YouTube for our research. Let me tell you something. That's not the only. YouTube shouldn't be the only place to research things, okay? Um, and neither should Google be the only place to do research. Go to the library, okay? Um, and don't just get books. Get encyclopedias on lizards and turtles, okay? Get books on reptilian humanoids. You know, become your own researcher. Don't just focus on audio and visual all the time. Because that's when a lot of people get skeptical. So if you're a galactic person like me, or somebody that's trying to get into galactic consciousness, you want people to believe your information. Yes, of course. Okay, let's keep it all the way 100. You want people to believe that reptilians are out here, and if you still don't, then hey, that's your free will. That's your choice. I'm not here to tell you what to think, and uh, I'm not here to tell you what to think and what to feel. My 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 job is just to give you the information, so that you would have the ability to think for yourself. Okay. I'm no master teacher. You know what I'm saying? Although I'm pretty good with scholarship. I will say that, but I'm no scholar. I don't even have a degree. I'm just doing this for free. Okay, so um I I'm giving this information to you guys for free. Um yeah, I'm giving this information to you guys for free. Um out of love. You know what I mean? I'm not no egomaniac. I'm not gonna try to force you to believe what I'm saying. You know what I mean? I may push and proselytize the whole androgynous heterosexual thing, because that 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 is an actual re, re, religion to my my myself and others that are of the same spirit and consciousness as mine. Okay. Um. So anyway, I'm 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 working with two awesome individuals to help bring reptilian content and disclosure. Um 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 I think the I think the channel is called the YouTube channel is called, what is it? Um oh, it's called Men, it's called it's called Men No Little. Okay? It's ca- it's called it's called Men No Little. Subscribe to that YouTube channel. Men No Little. Show respect. Oh, okay, okay. No coarse joking over there. If you say something smart, you you will get blocked, probably. Okay, but show a lot of love and respect. I spoke to both of these beautiful ladies, and I told them that I have had contact with reptilian entities. Okay, and I'm going to help with reptilian disclosure, and I I I have family members that are reptilian starseeds from from eh, from the amphibian terrestrials to the um to the reptoid DNA. Okay, reptilians. Arrgh, you know. Oh yeah, and Dr- Draco Squad. You know that's my clique. You know what I mean? Um, and I got some reptilian music coming for you guys real soon. Half street, half galactic. Anyway, um, did I cover everything? Yeah, I think that's about it. All right, guys. Well, that's about it for the lecture. The next lecture I'm gonna do tomorrow, and um yeah, I'm gonna try to start doing lectures um every other Thursday and Friday. Okay, every other Thursday and Friday, cause I got other stuff to tend to now. You know, my music, other video content that I want to put out and release. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, and I'm gonna do gaming videos. I forgot to mention that. I'm gonna do more gaming videos. So we got Mortal Kombat XL coming up. We got some Dragon Ball Z Joniverse coming up for you guys. I'm gonna show that to you guys. And we got the new Crash Bandicoot game. You know what I mean? Um, along with some additional Crash Bandicoot games on top of it. All right. So keep it locked right here on Dr. Harmony TV. Stay tuned for more videos. And as always, put 3 stars in your heart, which is love, knowledge, and wisdom. And remember to always love yourself. Because if you don't love yourself, then how in the world is anybody supposed to love you? And on behalf of my doppelganger self, I'll say this: fill your soul with gold, or get gold put in your bones, nigga. Bang! Know thyself or die. Dr. Harmony TV, signing out. Peace.